Today I'm making a Chinese stir-fried classic, ginger spring onion stir-fried chicken. It is fragrant, succulent chicken, absolutely flavorful with the ginger spring onion coming together. All you need is a bowl of piping hot steamed rice. First of all, we start off with the chicken. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this chicken to bite size. Now, you can use chicken breast. It's just that chicken breast tends to overcook a lot faster. Yeah, so if you want to use chicken breast, you just got to be wary of the cooking time. Once you've cut your chicken, we're ready to marinate. A tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, a teaspoon sesame oil, about half a teaspoon white pepper. And I've got some cornstarch. This is about tablespoon and a half, and we mix all of this together. Now the cornstarch will help this sauce stick to the chicken. Set that aside, marinate for a good 10-15 minutes. All right, so grab your ginger. This is about 40-50 grams worth of ginger, thinly sliced. Now, the same with any stir fry, you want to make sure you get all your ingredients prepped and ready to go. All right, now you get about 2-3 sprigs of spring onion. Cut them in about 1.5 inches in length. This is going to go in earlier, and the green parts are going to go in much later. About 4 cloves of garlic. And here I have half yellow onion. If you don't have half yellow onion, you can swap it out with a half red onion. Really doesn't matter. All right, once you see that the wok is nice and hot, add in some oil. Swirl it around to coat the wok. And we're going in with the ginger, yeah, because the ginger takes the longest to sort of get nice and golden. All right, once you start to see the color of the ginger start to turn around the edges, now I'm going in with the garlic. White parts of the spring onion. Now, chicken goes in. Leave it alone. Allow it to sort of get that crust, and then we'll flip it. Turn the chicken around. Beautiful. Now, we add in our onions. You want to stir fry the onions for about a minute or so, just to soften the onions. And now we're going in with the sauce. About a tablespoon of soy sauce, another tablespoon of oyster sauce, 3.5 tablespoons of kombucha, another pinch of white pepper, and just a splash of water. Now, once you've added in the water, spring onion goes in. Turn off the heat, and ladies and gentlemen, this is done. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, a classic ginger spring onion chicken. All right, now it's the time to eat. Chicken's nice, succulent, flavorful, because we've marinated the chicken. We've added cornstarch so that all that flavor, that soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, white pepper, all of that is just stuck to that chicken and make it so flavorful. And that kombucha gives you that, just a hint of that nice fermented flavor that replicates the rice wine. Really is a very savory dish. Then you bite onto that sweet onion. Nice contrast to the savoriness of this dish. All right, guys, so this is my ginger spring onion chicken. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think of it and how you do yours. If you think this video has added value to you, you've never made it before, and now you want to give it a try, don't forget to let me know in the comment section down below how it went. All right? Once again, guys, don't forget to click the like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next week. Peace. Ciao.